Hello everyone, this is Ryan Willis, meteorologist at the Atlanta National Weather Service office with your weekly weather briefing for Monday, December 30th, 2013. We will start off as usual with a brief look at this morning's weather map. The main feature of interest at this time is a dry cold front traversing the area. No precipitation is currently associated with this front, and its main impact will be reinforcing the cooler air in place across the region. This past weekend was the fourth weekend in a row across Georgia that rainfall was recorded. Relatively heavy amounts were experienced across parts of the area, with areas of central Georgia receiving amounts from 2 to 3 inches. An inch or more was recorded across much of the rest of the area. With the recent round of rainfall, 2013 will end as one of the wettest years on record at climate sites across Georgia. 2013 was the wettest year on record in Macon, while it was the 5th wettest in Atlanta and 6th wettest in Columbus. Athens finished 2013 with the still respectable 15th wettest year on record. So, will any more rainfall be recorded in the last couple of days of 2013? A couple of light showers are possible this evening, primarily across northern Georgia. Any rainfall recorded will probably be trace amounts, although a few hundredths of an inch is not out of the question across some of the northern counties. The good news is that the forecast to bring in the new year looks dry. Temperatures at midnight to bring in 2014 are forecast to range from near freezing across the northern Georgia counties to the 40s across eastern and southern counties. Highs on New Year's Day look seasonal, with primarily 50s forecast area-wide. Taking a look at climatology for New Year's Day, forecast temperatures will be near to slightly above average. Obviously, we will be in no danger of breaking any cold or warm records for that date. Our first rain chance for 2014 will come on the Wednesday night to overnight Thursday time frame. On this slide are a few frames from the European model with regards to precipitation timing with this coming system. Rainfall will enter the area overnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning and exit the area by the very early hours of Friday morning. Currently, amounts are expected to be relatively light, with totals less than a quarter of an inch in the forecast. As the precipitation begins exiting the northeastern sections of Georgia, some brief light winter precipitation cannot be ruled out. The window for any areas of light sleet or snow would most likely be between about 7 p.m. Thursday night through about 1 a.m. Friday morning. This system will be quite moisture-starved by this point, so any brief sleet or snow that might be experienced should be very light. No accumulations are expected at this time. Cold temperatures will be ushered in behind this frontal system, with highs on Friday only reaching into the 30s across the northwestern half of our area and 40s elsewhere. By Saturday morning, the entire area will be below freezing, with lows around 20 across northern areas and in the upper 20s across the southern portion of the forecast area. Looking into the extended forecast, it looks like the next significant chance of rainfall will be Sunday, January 5th to Monday, January 6th time frame. One interesting feature that will need to be watched headed into the week of January 5th is the possibility of very cold air building into the region late that week. It should be stressed that this could and will likely significantly change as models come into better agreement in coming days, so we will continue to monitor and update the forecast as we approach next week. 2013 will be remembered as an exceptionally wet year across north and central Georgia. The New Year's Eve and New Year's Day forecast looks seasonable and dry, which should be conducive for New Year's celebrations. Headed into 2014, light rainfall is forecast from Wednesday night into the late Thursday night time frame, with very brief, light wintry precipitation possible across the northeastern stretches of Georgia. At this time, no accumulations are expected across this area.